In this practice, we will look on how to evaluate model feature importance using ICI and PDP. We start with our common routine where we define constants and process our dataset. For this notebook, we will use binary classification dataset. Here we split our data in test and train parts and define our tabular AutoML class, our model. Then we train it and make predictions. Then we can use this trained model and try to build some interpretation of it. We'll use ICI and PDP, where ICI plots each sample separately, and PDP averages these individual curves into one. So let's start with numerical features. For them, we can create our desired plots using automatic and manual algorithms. In a manual way, we can make plots using this algorithm, and it looks like this. And we also can use built-in feature, plot PDP, where we can pass our test data and feature name. And here is what PDP looks like for day's birth feature. Here we can see increasing trend in model's predictions for our sorted feature values, and hence we can conclude that this exact feature should be important for our model. Here in the below there are also frequencies of each feature value, and it's really important because if the frequency is low, for example, this feature value belongs to only a couple of samples in our data, then this dot can be biased, and we don't really can trust the plot. But in our case, all values distributed almost uniformly, so everything is fine. If we set the individual marker to true, we will receive these ICI plots and the same exact feature frequency distribution. Okay, for categorical features, the importance is plotted using box plots, where on x-axis there are not continuous feature values, but categories, and also same exact frequency distribution. We can also plot our PDPs and ICIs for date type features, where we can specify date time level. It can be year, month, or day of the week. And here we can see also increasing trend in models predictions. But feature frequency for early years are not as high as for the most recent years, so we should make our assumptions about importance of this feature more carefully. So it was a quick guide on how to plot PDP and ICI to estimate feature importance using LightAutoML. Thank you.